Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we have for you today a lovely Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2.2 dynamic diesel, top of the range, in absolutely lovely condition, finished into Firenze red with the gloss black alloy wheels. It's got the front park distance control, the lovely body styling at the front in the dynamic. It's got the rear privacy glass, rear park distance control with the camera, and the deeper diffuser at the back of the twin exhausts. As you can see, the boot area has been left in lovely condition. You've got a rear parcel shelf as well. Absolutely superb condition. Electric tailgate. Now this is what I like. The contrasting red black interior really goes with the car. The panoramic roof. So we've got electric memory seats as well, electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian sound system. Show the interior. Absolutely lovely. Start the car up. So it's done, I'll just get the mileage up in a minute. 86,180 miles. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. We've got a full screen menu. Just load the satellite navigation up there, and the rear cameras there. 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning, climate control, different off-road driving styles. Got Bluetooth as well. That's the home menu. Audio and video there. DAB radio. It's got AUX and a USB. A lovely panoramic roof with a blind. DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.